In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Bing from Google Chrome on Windows and Mac. If your Chrome browser is using Bing when you want it to use Google instead, don't worry. This is a very quick fix, and the steps are almost the same whether you're on a Windows computer or a Mac. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can change your default search engine back to Google. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're on a normal browser window so you can access the main settings. If Bing is currently showing up when you search from the address bar or open a new search, that usually means Bing has been set as your default search engine in Chrome. Next, go to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click on the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find the browser settings and other options. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can manage how the browser works. Inside Settings, look for the Search Engine section. On some versions of Chrome, you may see it listed in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Search Engine to open those options. This area controls which search engine Chrome uses when you type something directly into the address bar. Now, find the current search engine setting. If Bing is selected, click the drop-down menu and change it to Google. Once you select Google, the change usually happens immediately, so there's no need to save anything manually. After that, you can close the Settings tab and test it. Click on the address bar, type in anything you want to search for, and press Enter. If everything was updated correctly, your search should now open with Google instead of Bing. If it still switches back to Bing afterward, double-check that the setting was changed properly in the search engine section. In some cases, a browser extension or a setting change may have caused Bing to become the default, so it's a good idea to make sure Chrome is updated and that your preferred search engine is still set to Google. That's all it takes to remove Bing from Google Chrome on Windows and Mac. Once you know where the setting is, it only takes a moment to fix. Only Moj.